Hello students, welcome to our new video. Today's topic is waves and sound. As you know that what is wave, but there is a definition of wave. As you can see, wave, the periodic motion of particles which transfer energy from one place to another through a medium but doesn't displace the particles permanently is called the wave. As you can know, wave is a media or a carrier which can transfer the energy from one place to another place. Now we are going to talk about the classification of wave. There are two types of waves. Actually, depends on media, there are two types of waves. Number one is electromagnetic wave and the another is mechanical wave. So what is electromagnetic wave? As an example, we can take the light wave because it needs no media. That means it doesn't need any media. So this kind of waves which doesn't need any kind of media is called the electromagnetic wave. And the waves that needs media is called the mechanical wave, like the sound wave. And if you want to classify the wave depends on the property, then we can classify this into two parts. Number one is transverse wave. As you can see, here is a transverse wave, and another is longitudinal wave. We are now discussing about the transverse wave. So in this figure, there is a transverse wave, as you can see, and there is also a definition of transverse wave. Let's talk about the definition. The wave which moves perpendicularly to the direction of vibration of the particles is called the transverse wave. Let me explain. This is the equilibrium position, like the surface of water. This is the equilibrium position, and this is the particle, wave making particle or water particle. If we applied their energy, the particle oscillates up and down, up and down, up and down, and the wave will transfer from left to right. So the direction of the wave and the vibration of the particle is perpendicular to each other, and this kind of wave is called the transverse wave. Now we will talk about some important part of the wave. Especially number one is frequency. So what is frequency? As you know, the number of complete vibration in 1 second is called the frequency, or the number of complete oscillation or complete rotation in 1 second is called the frequency. As you can see, there was the particle, wave making particle, which was in equilibrium position. If it can make 5 complete oscillation within 1 second, its frequency will be 5 Hertz. This is the important topic for the wave frequency. And related this topic, there is another topic which is time period. Time period is the required time for a complete vibration. That means the required time for a complete vibration. If it required 1 second for a complete vibration, the time period is 1 second. Okay. As you can see, there is the unit of frequency, which is Hertz, and the unit of time period is second. We must say about the phase. What is phase? The overall condition of a motion of a wave transmitting particle at any moment is known as the phase. The overall condition of motion. What does it mean by overall condition? Overall condition means the displacement, the acceleration, the velocity of a wave making particle of any moment is called the phase.